every once in a while you get an opportunity to get involved in a project that really is near and dear to you. And the next project that we're going to talk about is one for Austin Energy. It's a 345 kV line. The line was critical in the sense that it served the city of Austin from the South Texas nuclear plant. So replacement of these lines is always the most expensive option. And so anytime we could do a life extension is much better option than trying to replace the line. The reason it's near and dear to me is because I helped fabricate those structures originally about 45 years ago. And they're still standing, fortunately. My designs have been good. But they are showing some signs of deterioration, especially the connection of the poles to the foundation system that was chosen to be used on that particular line. They're in vibratory caissons. The poles are inserted into the caisson and then backfilled with grout. And at the interface of the grout line to the pole, some corrosion had been taking place over the 45 years since the poles had been installed. We inspected several hundred poles. We went out and did a corrosion assessment. We were able to measure how much wall thickness loss took place. We applied an Exo health rating to those structures, assembled all of that data, looked at it analytically, determined which ones were the priorities at that point. We use an A through F rating system. All the Ds and Fs that we discovered during that inspection, we ended up providing remediation. The solution there was actually a little different. We wanted a little longer term solution. So we chose on this particular one to go ahead and do a welded solution, put a welded reinforcing collar around the poles to restore the strength that the poles had lost due to corrosion, restore the grout on top of the caisson to slope the water away from the pole. This time, though, we used a polymer grout so that it was hydrophobic and water would not absorb into it. We provided a solution this time that I think was a really good long-term solution.